No net. Great. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another super duper outdoor adventure. We're at Lake Temescal, the Oakland Hills 2021, man. We're gonna go fishing. I don't know if they fixed the path. This water's been hella muddy from the rain, but we're out here. Whoa, they dug the whole beach up. Let's see if there's any more fish left in this lake, guys. Let's go fishing. Let's go. Any fish left? Yeah, it's been hella muddy, huh? It's only a handful of people catching them. Did you get one?
Yeah, I got two.
Got a fatty?
He just got one here.
Oh, that's a fatty, dude. Nice, dude. Good luck, fellas. Guys, mind if I toss some spoons? You see any cruisers?
Not really.
On top? You need a net, you're good. That's a nice net, dude. Did you make that?
No, this is Japanese net.
Oh, nice.
It's light. It's all in
Yeah, I know. I saw it flex. Where'd you get it? At Got one. Oh, fatty. Here we go. Let's go, buddy. You got a net, bro? Let's go. Can you hook me up, brother? Let's go. Fatty. 2-pound test, guys, on the SDO SuperSpoons. Let's go. Woo-hoo. Keep them pinned. Barbless hook.
Doesn't extend much more.
Oh, that's good. This is good. Thank you, brother. Ooh, gotta play this guy.
That's a beauty too.
Fatty.
Yeah, I know. It's just as big, if anything bigger. That's a nice one.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. What's your name, bud?
Aiden.
Aiden, thank you, bro.
Bro.
Oh, no. He freaking buried me, dude. That is no good. I can't believe he freaking did that, dude.
How did you do that?
Oh, shit. Oh. I know. But he's under all this shit. He freaking went in. I got him. Dude, 2-pound test, man. The CXX. CXX is hella good stuff, bro. On the GoPro.
Ooh, that thing's a beauty.
Let's go. I'll give you a UV one, bro. If you catch a fish, you better freaking tag me, bro.
Yeah.
All right?
Good job,
Aiden, nice to meet you, bro. Here you go, bro. 3.5 grams, UV treated, barbless. Okay, a SuperDuper outdoors. Time to bust out the Pineapple Express. This is the UV chartreuse. I'm gonna hit this. Yeah, dude. Chartreuse is always a winner, especially in this murky water.
Alright, we're gonna stay here for longer than that. I don't care, I just need to bring one in.
Yeah, you will. You're changing up, right? You're putting on a spoon?
Yeah, I'm using that soap on the spoon.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, Oh, snap. Missed it. Oh. Oh. Fat following. Yeah.
This is fun.
Yeah, here, dude. Would I give you the red?
Give me a pink one.
I gave you a pink one. I'm gonna give you the chartreuse, dude. This freaking kills it too,
Ooh,
dude. Because I know you're freaking gonna get on them, dude.
So thanks, man.
Hey, right on. Got one. Let's go, buddy. Camera on, fish on, dude, on the SDO spoons. Let's go, buddy. Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. You know what I mean? Wow, dude. Wow, that's all I can say, man. Yo guys, thank you for watching this video, man. I really appreciate it. Got two today with a productive little afternoon. Had an appointment in Oakland and I'm like, yo, I'm gonna stop by Lake Temescal and fish for a little bit. And got on a couple, man. Got that fatty at the beginning and then, man, it was on, guys. Thank you for watching this video, man. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what's up. Let me know how your season is going. Hit that like button, punch that subscribe button, guys. Catch you guys out on the waters. Keep your lines tight and fish on. Later.